This L5P came in for a quick fuel filter upgrade from DmaxStore. The adapter lets you run a larger Donaldson or CAT filter while keeping the factory housing. Start by removing the factory fuel bowl with a 36mm socket. Make sure to place a container underneath to catch any fuel. Next, lubricate the O-rings on the new fuel filter adapter using engine oil, diesel fuel, or transmission gel. Carefully thread the adapter onto the factory housing by hand. Then use the provided specialty socket to fully seat the adapter. Install the fuel filter O-ring around the center of the whiff sensor probe and thread on your new Donaldson or CAT filter. Grab your upgrade today at DmaxStore.com and ditch that tiny factory filter for good.